Greetings, salutations, and all good things in between. Happy holidays, everyone. Matt here. If you would like to participate in the 2022 AppSheet Community Secret Santa campaign that I'm running, there's a link down in the description. There's a link right there. Click on it, go enter your details, you're good to go. The submission deadline to get your details in and to be a participant in this year's activity is Saturday, December 17th at noon Central. After that, I will engage the matching process where you will be matched with some other person that's participating. You'll get an email with that person's details, their shipping information, any kind of gift ideas that they put in, all that stuff. Go out, get a gift, ship it to them. Happy holidays. If you would like to run your own Secret Santa activity, there is a link down in the description for an app that you can copy that's available on my AppSheet profile that takes care of all of these little logistic bits, right? So go down there if you want to do that. If you'd like to participate, again, click the link. Why not? Let's have some fun. Thanks for participating. Thanks for watching. Happy holidays.